Welcome to my channel. This is the first session in the case of digital electronics. Before seeing some MCQ in case of digital electronics, let's say something about the gates. Right? The first gate is OR gate, and the symbol of the OR gate is this. And the function of the OR gate is Z is equal to A plus B. Right? Plus is the symbol for the OR gate. Right? And then we need to see one thing in the case of OR gate. In OR gate, if both the inputs are low, the output is low. If any one of the input is low, the output is high. And both the inputs are high, the output is high. And this is the just reverse in the case of the AND gate. This is the symbol and the function is A dot B. So this is the dot product and this is the OR product. This is the plus and this is the multiplicand. And in this, the output is high when the both inputs are high. And both inputs are low, the output is low. When one input is high and one input is low, the output is low. And next is NOT gate. A NOT gate has the function as Z is equal to A bar and the output as this. This is the NOT gate, right? And this is the symbol for the NOT gate. And it consists of only one input, either a low input or an high input. If the input is the low, the output is high. If the input is high, the output is low. And next gate is the NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing but similar to the OR gate, and it has the bubble at the output. So we have the output function as Z is equal to A plus B the whole bar. In the NOR gate, when the two inputs are low, we get the high output. And when both the inputs are high, we get the output low. And if any one of the input is high and low, we get the output as low. This is the just reverse of the OR gate. Right? And the next gate. And coming to the next gate is nothing but the NAND gate. And the NAND gate, we gave the symbol as this. And the inputs are A and B. And the output here I mentioned is Z. You can provide any notation, not only the Z, you can provide any X, Y or Z or A, B, C, D or as the inputs and the outputs. And coming to this case, in the NAND gate, if both the inputs are high, the output is low, and this is the just reverse of the AND gate. The function is provided as Z is equal to A dot B the whole bar. And if both the inputs are low, we get the output as high. Any one of the input is low and high, we get the output as high. And next gate is XOR gate. XOR gate, you have the function symbol as this. Here A and B are the input and the output is Z. So the function is Z is equal to AB the whole bar plus A bar B, and it can be also written as A XOR B. And coming to the XOR gate,